Alright, so the voice is a bit muffled because I got my face scarf on because it's fucking cold in there. But that's the Mi-28 hip, and here we go, another one of the all-time classic bits of kit that I wanted to see up close, the Mi-24 Hind attack helicopter. Feared, ferocious piece of kit, just absolutely solid and robust. Not only could it fly a long way, carry a heavy payload, but also carry a number of troops in it. It was just armed to the teeth, and very heavily armoured as well. That's the other things, they had very good survivability. So I think don't know what's so essentially 50 cal rotating chain gun, 4 barrels, rocket pods, yeah, but yeah, pretty amazing. It could carry eight troops, so I'm glad I can tick that off the bucket list. But the other one I really wanted to see, a MiG-25 Foxbat. Now when this thing came out, you know, I mean, this scared the US and NATO when it came out, because, you know, it could fly at 3 times the speed of sound, massive ceiling, long range, etc. again. But so a lot of the NATO planes were actually designed to try and counter this, like the F-15 Eagle. Amazing bit of kit.